Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Taiko no Tatsujin on Switch using an easy method. First, understand the two main note types. Red notes, called Dan, require you to hit the center of the drum. Blue notes, known as Ka, mean you should strike the rim. For an immersive experience, try using the Joy-Con motion controls. Remember to practice your timing to hit notes precisely as they reach the judgment line for the best score. Beyond the basic Dan and Ka, you will encounter other note types. Large notes require you to hit both sides of the drum simultaneously for extra points. Yellow drum roll notes demand rapid, continuous hits to maximize your score. For balloon notes, you must hit them many times before the timer runs out. Building long combo chains is crucial, as they significantly increase your score multiplier. To master Taiko no Tatsujin with an easy method, begin on the easy difficulty setting to grasp the fundamental rhythms. Initially, prioritize hitting notes accurately over achieving high speed. Utilize the dedicated practice mode to repeatedly play and conquer any challenging sections of your favorite songs. Additionally, consider adjusting the note scroll speed in the game settings for improved visibility and reaction time. As you progress, explore different control schemes to discover what feels most comfortable for you. Playing regularly will help you unlock exciting new songs and unique character outfits. Once you feel confident, challenge yourself by gradually increasing the difficulty levels to further hone your skills. Don't forget to customize your drum sound and character appearance for a personalized and enjoyable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.